Hi, this is €2 lock from Tokmanni. So it's obvious. Please don't buy this. Stay away from this. But yeah, I found this tension wrench, so might as well use it. Top of the keyway and this pick. So let's try. It was shielded, unlike the last one, and it's open. So yeah, you can see it has actually pretty nice pitting and 5 pins, but yeah, I think this is like cast iron with brass paint on it. Like you can see, I've been scratching that. So yeah, it was €2 lock from Tokmanni. The Finnish, like cheap, like Walmart basically. So yeah, but if you like the video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you really like the video, and bye.